Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I have another unboxing video to show you. This video is about 2 rare alarms I just have received. So, let's get to it. Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I have another unboxing video to show you. So, let's get to it. Okay, so here we go. What could it possibly be? Alright, guess below. What do you think it is? If you need to, just pause the video. Okay, moving on. These alarms, by the way, I'm pretty sure they're very rare, so I'm very lucky to get these. Very, 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 very lucky to have these. I don't see very many people on YouTube that are fire alarm collectors that own these alarms. So, these are Simplex alarms. Okay. Here are my Simplex 4903-9432 Simplex True Alerts. Hold on a second. Alright, here's one of them. Now, I'll just show you the back of it again. Wait a minute. Wow. They literally look like they're brand new. I love that. Alright. 4903-9432. See? And it has a switch somewhere that allows it to be free run or synchronized. There we go. Now, my other one. Oh, I see. This one has a new cover. It's cool. Then the other piece is right here. Nice. Oh, the switch is right here, by the way. Good to know. Oh, wait. Awesome. Alright, so there they are. I'm so happy to have these. I really am. Like, these alarms, they're special. True alerts are very common, but these ones aren't. I'm pretty sure these ones are very rare. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, and leave comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!